Hi, welcome to my channel, Self-Made Fancy Wardrobe. Today I'm going to show you how to make this circle cardigan. The fabric I use have a beautiful texture. This sample is size A. I totally use 1 yard and 3/4. This cardigan is very simple. The leg band extends to the bottom, bubble sleeve, high cuff, and sleeve can have some gathering. Because I consider the limitation of the fabric width, so I add the seam at the back neck center. Allow the joint seam at the side. For this side, you can extend the band to the back. Here is the pattern. The center back is on fold, so it's one piece only. And this is the front and sleeve. The cuff is on fold. Shirring on sleeve cap. Back hem cuff goes here. Front cuff, and also is a back leg band. This portion is for the back neck. This notch matches with the notch here. The band is shorter than the body because it had to be pulled when we sewed. You can buy this pattern through the link in the description box below. Sew the back darts first. The back dart is optional, you can skip it. Sew the shoulders. I add the same fabric tape and sew together in order to prep when the shoulders stretch out. Fold up the fabric tape and sew a line to make it attach with the seam edge. I'm going to overlock them together later. Sew the side seam. Join the back neck center seam. Fold the leg band into double and press it. This is the notch for the center back neck. I'm going to place the leg band based on this notch. Match each notch according to the sewing pattern marking point. The leg band is shorter in order to hold the body. Now I'm starting sewing the band. Press the band. When it comes to the front bottom, remember to pull the band to form a nice curved shape, especially on the outline curve. Make sure the center front lay flat without puckering after pressing. This is the sleeve cuff. I'm going to join the seam first. After overlock join the seam, fold it and steam it. I already complete the side seam on the sleeve. The longer part is the back, and the shorter part is the front. I'm going to add the stitching on the bottom for creating gathering. The sleeve bottom had to be bigger than the width of cuff, because the cuff leaves room for stretching when our hand goes through it. About 1 inch bigger on fold. Pull the cuff when joined with the sleeve. Look, finish. I'm going to overlock. Pull the cuff when you are adding overlock. The sleeve done. Sew a knot on sleeve cap for gathering. Then attach the sleeve to the armhole. You can either sew 3 buttons at front for a simple tuck or at the buttonhole for a cardigan. If you like my channel, please give me a thumb, leave comment and subscribe below. Thank you so much. Bye.